Alright, we're going to graph f of x equals 2 times the square root of x plus 5 minus 3. So the first thing to do here is to say that this is a square root problem. So the parent function is a square root. So we can try and graph that out a little bit. So we know that the absolute value function, that sometimes I call squirt, looks a little bit like this. So what all's happening to squirt? Well, one thing, there's this 2 out front, and that 2 will stretch things up and down. Okay, so it causes things to get bigger, so it's kind of like pulling this thing up while holding certain points in place. What else is happening here? So under the square root is a plus 5. That plus 5, remember, under the square root is going to move in the opposite direction, so it will shift left 5. And then the negative 3 at the end will shift down 3. So let's find another color to point that out. So what have we got? We've got green here. So let's see what we can do with this. So let's make the moves first. Let's take this thing to the left 5 and down 3. So this is where we're going to be. Now that 2 is going to stretch it. So normally the point would go over 1, up 1, but it'll go up 2. And then it's kind of like going to double every point. So when we went over 1, up 1, we're going to go over 1, up 2. When we go over 4, up 2, we'll go over 4, up 4. Now, I don't expect you to get all those out there like that, but it will give us the square root squirt very similar to before, except stretched up and down. All right, thank you.